What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja with the very first video of 2022. Thank you so much for your support last year and Happy New Year. I'm going to jump into this lead quickly because it is a fairly lengthy one. However, it is value packed. So, thanks for clicking on the thumbnail. Thanks for watching. All the best to you for this year. And if you want to continue to make money online, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. Now, this role is for a billing customer support specialist at a company called Formstack. Okay? Formstack is based in the USA, but they are willing to hire internationally. So it's an entry-level position, full-time employment, and you will be earning between 45,000. They forgot to put the K, so it should be 45K. It will be 45 to 55,000 annually. All right. Now, it is a finance role. Okay, so if you are finance or business based, then this would be a great opportunity for you to start an entry level position, getting experience, making some money from home. We are still in the pandemic, and I understand that the fourth wave or whatever, and I'm not saying that to downplay anything, but because of the Christmas, New Year's rush of people, then things are getting a bit crazy again. So you would love to work from home and not have to worry about mingling with people. Anywho, let's move on. Like I said, it's a pretty lengthy lead, so let's just jump into it. Now, Formstack improves people's lives with practical solutions to their everyday work. We are looking for a billing customer support specialist to help us accomplish this mission. Formstack is a 15-year-old company that with roots in Indianapolis, USA. Our customers span 110 different countries, and our employees live and work across the US and the globe. We provide a work environment that is flexible and provides great freedom for those who can perform. We are seeking people who demonstrate an ability to work effectively with individuals from diverse cultures and backgrounds. They want you to be able to explain and help others understand the problem and solution. You're an exceptional communicator who can gracefully break down, solve, and explain even the most complex problems. You are always curious to learn more. You might not know all of the answers, but you're eager to find them. You are not fearful of new technology, a hard worker who gets things done, and you have the ability to switch gears quickly and adjust your priorities and focus appropriately. Most importantly, you love numbers and all things billing. You can easily adapt to change and work well in a fast-paced and ever-changing environment. So these are the things you'll do. We're looking for a billing customer support specialist to help us on the front lines. The billing customer support specialist will contribute to team and company goals by providing human-centric and timely billing support to our customers with a strong emphasis on providing an excellent experience to our customers. You will work under the direction of the controller and will work closely with the accounting and billing team. How you'll succeed. You'll be the primary point person for incoming billing support requests via email, chat, and/or scheduled phone support. You'll perform daily billing tasks, including preparation of refunds or credits, issuing invoices, processing of customer account changes, responding to customer billing inquiries, and assisting customers in updating billing information. You'll communicate complexities in a clear, concise way that is easy for customers to understand. You'll work in a fast-paced environment and meet or exceed our set customer inbound ticket quotas. You'll assist in monitoring of past due customer accounts. Maintain written and/or video process documentation. Think of new and creative ways to solve customer issues. Ad hoc analysis and project support as requested by management. Now, the qualifications that they want you to have, or the qualifications you need to qualify for this role, the qualifications you need to pass the standard or meet the standard that they are looking for in a customer billing support specialist. Must be fluent in written and spoken English. 1 to 3 years experience in a customer service role focused on billing. Working knowledge of billing concepts, particularly software as a service billing. Excellent written and verbal communication skills, English required. Well organized with a high degree of accuracy and attention to detail. The ability to effectively multitask, manage multiple deadlines, and prioritize assignments. The ability to manage and resolve customer support requests in a timely and professional manner. The ability to work well within a remote team environment. Again, the salary range is $45,000 to $55,000 per year. And I believe this is based on performance. So that's the range. You'll start at the lower end based on experience, or possibly at the higher end based on experience. And then as time goes, things can be reviewed. Now, I am not affiliated with this company. This is just me bringing this lead to you. I do not work for this company. I just want to help people find opportunities to make money online. And I came across this lead, so I'm just putting it out there for anyone who wants to have the opportunity to find leads like this without having to do all the hard work. All right? So if you appreciate that, do hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to know when leads like this come out. Also, there will be other opportunities that come out. There will be reviews of programs, reviews of software and tech, all things that have to do with making money online. All right. So again, this is a remote work from anywhere position. And here are the benefits you'll receive when you work for Formstack. Free health plans as well as company paid dental, vision, disability, and life insurance benefits for US and Canadian full-time employees. Okay. So health benefits are for US and Canadians. But you'll have unlimited pay time off for all employees, retirement accounts with company matching for US and Canadian full-time employees, the most up-to-date technology including company-issued Macs, the latest software, and other tools needed to excel at your job. Company-paid conferences and extended learning opportunities, yearly company gatherings. Now, if you want to learn more about who they are and what they value, you can follow the link below. So you'll press the apply button, or what you can do is actually at the very top, hit this link. When you press that button, it opens up the website. All right, and you can see all that they have to offer. And I actually suggest you do this because when you know more about the company, then it helps you out in the interview. Have you ever been in a situation where something came up and you drew upon a memory or something from years ago that you happened to see? Yeah, well, that happens a lot in interviews. You're looking for the answer so intensely that something just pops up from seemingly nowhere, but it was something that you read or knew about from back in the day. Now, Formstack is proud and dedicated to providing equal employment opportunities. So basically, they don't discriminate and they have the opportunity open to everyone, regardless of race, gender, age, color, religion, national origin, ancestry, citizenship, status, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, genetic information, union affiliation, veteran status, or any other characteristic protected by law. This means we do not discriminate in any aspect of employment based on any of these characteristics. This policy applies to all applicants and employees through all phases of employment, including but not limited to hiring, promotion, treatment during employment, demotion, and termination. All right. So, salary ranges are determined by industry research and trends. Individual salaries are based on skills, experience, and geographical location. Compensation is reviewed on a regular basis and adjustments are made accordingly. All data collected in our application process, from resume collection to application questions, is used for recruitment purposes only. So they're not going to sell you stuff and spam your email or anything like that. They're not going to sell your information to anybody. They're just using their information or your information for recruiting. That's it. So maybe you apply, maybe you don't get through now, and maybe 6 months down the road, you see an email from them saying that there's a position open that they think you're a good fit for based on the information you submitted, and you can start the process again. All right. We will store it in our applicant tracking system, Jazz HR, and will not share this data with anyone else. We will keep your data until the role is filled and only continue to store it if we feel you may fit future roles. Now they thank you for your interest in Formstack and invite you to apply, and you may do so by simply pressing this button. When you press that button, the application page opens up. Fill in the information. But if you need help with a resume and cover letter and all that stuff, check the links in the description. There is one to a free website called Canva. It's the second link. But if you're an entrepreneur at heart, even though you're working a 9 to 5 currently, the first link will actually lead you to a very interesting work from home opportunity where you can build and scale a business to several figures, okay, working an hour or two. It's called, well, I'll leave that a surprise and invite you to click that link as well. Watch the free videos, enter your information, watch the free videos, and learn more about this amazing way to make money. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Happy New Year again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.